Now it's recording, you dumb butt. Go.
Okay. Gregory, on my word, will not carry coals.
No, for them we should be colliers.
I mean, and we being collar will draw.
While you live, draw your neck out of the collar.
I strike quickly, being moved.
But thou art no quickly moved to strike.
A dog of the house of Montague moves me.
To move is to stir, and to be violent is to stand. Therefore, if thou art moved, thou runnest away.
A dog of the house shall move me to stand. I will take the wall of any manor made of the Montagues.
That shows thee a weak slave, for the weakest goes to the wall.
'Tis true, and therefore women being weaker vessels are ever thrust to the wall. Therefore I will push Montague's man from the wall and thrust his maids to the wall.
The quarrels between our masters and us they are men.
'Tis all alone I will show myself a tyrant. When I have fought with the men I will be civil, and with the maids I will cut off their heads.
The maids of the heads?
The
heads of the maids?
The heads of the maids, or the maiden heads. Take it in one sense thou wilt.
They must take it. They must take it in. They must take it in. That feel it. Go. Come on. Come on, seriously. This is serious.
You guys are horrible.
This is serious. Come on, seriously.
Okay. Me they shall feel while I'm able to stand, and 'tis known I'm a pretty piece of flesh.
'Tis will thou art no fish. If thou hadst thou hasn't been poor John. Draw thee tool. Here comes two of the house of Montagues.
My naked weapon is out. Quarrel, I will back thee.
How, turn their back and run?
Fear me not.
No, Mary, I fear thee.
Let us take the law of our sides. Let them begin.
I will frown as I pass by, and let them take as a day list.
Nay, as they dare. I will bite my thumb at them, which is disgrace to them if they bear it.
Okay, turn it off.